Dogecoin cost extremely equivalent to $0.0772 a coin, or so they truly thought. The present exchange cost range, 0.0766 0.0774, or so they basically thought. The earlier day close, 0.0769, in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The change truly was plus 0.0003, plus 0.39% in an unobtrusive way. Converse rate, USD to Doge in a by and large huge manner. Dogecoin value expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month, which essentially shows that the change fundamentally was plus 0.0003, plus 0.39%. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $0.074, kind of greatest 0.079, in every practical sense, least 0.069, which truly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.076, really most extreme 0.081, least 0.071, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.075, kind of greatest 0.080, genuinely least 0.070. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.076, really greatest 0.081, truly least 0.071 in a quite large way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost $0.076, truly greatest 0.081, truly least 0.071 in a huge way. In multi-week Dogecoin estimate on Monday, May 15, cost $0.075, especially greatest 0.080, kind of least 0.070, which truly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.073, really most extreme 0.078, lovely least 0.068, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.074, truly most extreme 0.079, least 0.069, which basically is very huge. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.074, exceptionally greatest 0.079, most certainly least 0.069, which is genuinely critical. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, May 19, cost $0.075, kind of most extreme 0.080, certainly least 0.070, or so they explicitly thought. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost $0.074, most extreme 0.079, sort of least 0.069, or so they explicitly thought. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.075, certainly greatest 0.080, especially least 0.070 in a very large way. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.075, exceptionally greatest 0.080, genuinely least 0.070. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.074, most extreme 0.079, truly least 0.069, in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, May 26, cost $0.076, certainly greatest 0.081, most certainly least 0.071, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, May 29, cost $0.071, truly greatest 0.076, extremely least 0.066. So Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.073, essentially greatest 0.078, least 0.068 in a sort of huge way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.068, greatest 0.073, least 0.063, which explicitly shows that Dogecoin value expectation in the not-so-distant future and month, which really shows that the change in a real sense was plus 0.0003, plus 0.39% in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.064, most extreme 0.068, exceptionally least 0.060, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.066, certainly greatest 0.071, most certainly least 0.061 in an essentially enormous manner. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, June 2, cost $0.067. Beautiful greatest $0.072, truly least $0.062, showing how the change by and large was plus 0.0003, plus 0.39%, which sort of is very huge. In about a month, Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost $0.068, really greatest $0.073, lovely least $0.063, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.068, by and large greatest $0.073, essentially least $0.063. Most certainly further appearance how today. S exchange cost range 0.0766 0.0774, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to Doge conversion scale sort of equivalent to 12.9467 coins per $1, showing how Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.074, really greatest $0.079, kind of least $0.069 incredibly. Today, S reach 129282130480, or so they generally thought. The past day, S nearby 13.0005 in an especially enormous way. Change for now 0.0538, 0.41%. USD to Doge cost gauge for, in the not so distant future and month in an unpretentious manner. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Monday, May 8, cost 13.514 coins, especially most extreme 14.493, exceptionally least 12.658, or so they basically thought. USD to Doge expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost 13.158 coins, kind of greatest 14.085, sort of least 12.346, or so they explicitly thought. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, May 10, cost 13.333 coins, lovely greatest 14.286, exceptionally least 12.500 in a by and large huge manner. USD to Doge expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 13.158 coins, certainly most extreme 14.085, least 12.346, exhibiting how in multi-week Dogecoin estimate on Monday, May 15, cost $0.075, fundamentally greatest 0.080, essentially least 0.070, or so they certainly thought. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, May 12, cost 13.158 coins, most extreme 14.085, least 12.346, or so they in every practical sense thought. In multi-week USD to Doge expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 13.333 coins, especially most extreme 14.286, genuinely least 12.500 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, May 16, cost 13.699 coins. In every way that really matters, greatest 14.706, most certainly least 12.821. In every way that really matters, further appearance how the past day, S nearby 13.0005.